Hello friends, welcome back to Saha application. As an admin, today we're talking on how to manage our score, or rather manage score setting. Okay, we've done our type, attendance type, we've done our assessment type. Okay, now we'll go to our control panel. We scroll down to manage assessment assignment, and that's where we'll be. And we've done our manage assessment type. You can see, don't manage attendance type. Now we want to do score setting. We'll click on score setting. Right, and we brought us to this page where we'll see search. This is where you do your school session. You click on here, type it in. Your school term, type it here, school category, school class, assessment type, the one you're searching for. You type it there. And once you're done, click on search. Once you click on search, it brings out the list of the assessments you're looking for. But we want to create a new one, so we'll come down to list of score setting with assessment type. So we want to create a new one. Remember, you don't just create one assessment type for a result sheet, because the result sheet won't make sense. So we want to create a complete assessment type we've created. That's CA1, CA2, CA3, and exam. Or rather, you can call it test 1, test 2, test 3, and exam. Or as long as your school wants to make their CA. Okay, now we'll go to admin. Click on admin. You open this page where we see set up school score setting. So you see, we'll go, let's do it here. Click on school category, Demo Primary School, school class, grade 1, primary 1, grade 1. Our school session is already fixed. Our term, first term. Assessment type. Want to do CA1 first, then the score. Remember, the score means obtainable score, the highest a student can obtain, as in attain to. Okay, now we want to make it 10, because we want, after getting all the CA's obtainable score, we want to add it to exam, and everything will sum up to be over 100. That's one. So we want to give an obtainable score that once we add all the assessments together, we get over 100. So let's make our CA1 10. 10, and we'll add. We'll go again on admin, click on it. We'll do the same, category, class, term. Remember, why these are coming out is because we already created them in session and term and authorized them by the supervisor. That's why it's fixed. Once you click on it to come out, and you just choose it. So assessment, we do 2 now. The score, let's make it 10 again. Remember, we're trying to get a figure that once we are done and we'll sum all these assessments together, we'll get over 100. Let's do again, admin. Go to category, class, session is there already, same, assessment, do 3, let's make it 10 again, we'll add. Okay, bring us back to this page, and now I want to do the final one, add again. I hope you're watching. Category, class, session is there, term, assessment, now exam. So we now have to get a figure that will add to the 3 terms, like the 10 we've already gotten from the CA1 to 3. Add the figure from the exam and we'll make it over 100. Let's make it 70, because 70 plus 30 is 100. So let's make it 70. Click. And we'll add. Okay, now we see 70 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is over 100. So our assessment average is going to be over 100. So we are done with score setting. Bye.